right, wanted to do a quick video of what's under the hood here. I have some pictures of these upgrades, but I wanted to do a quick video. So the stock oil cap is plastic. ECS Tuning makes a really nice metal cap that's a lot more robust. And while I'm here on the oil filter housing, I know it's a point of interest in this generation with the oil filter housing gaskets, and as you can see, this one is perfect. No seeping, really dry. My tech said it looks great for now, so no concern there. If we go over here, there's the Cobb aluminum charge pipe, powder coated. And the stock one is plastic and it's been known to burst, so I said I really want to swap that out. And so that looks really nice. And just give you a quick snapshot of the engine bay.